Welcome back to school and welcome back to Standard 5th Maths Digital class. Hope you all are fine. Let's start a second term portion. First, let's perform an activity. You must be surprised to see gems. I have 12 gems. I have to distribute them in equal groups so that no gems are left over. So let's arrange these gems in the group of 1. If you distribute these 12 gems in the group of 1, each person will get 1 gem. Right? Now we will see how can we distribute these 12 gems in the group of 2. Yes, we can distribute 12 gems in the group of 2. Each person will get 2 gems. No gem left over. Now let us see how we can distribute these 12 gems in the group of 3. Now arrange these 12 gems in this way so that each person will get 3 gems. Now let us see how can we distribute 12 gems in the group of 3. If you will observe, each person will get 3 gems and no gems are left over. So we can distribute 12 gems in the group of 3 also. Now let us distribute these 12 gems in the group of 4. In this way, if you will arrange these gems, one person will get 4 gems, second person will get 4 gems and third person also get 4 gems. No gems are left over. It means we can distribute 12 gems in the group of 4. Now let us see, can we distribute these 12 gems in the group of 5? Let us arrange 5 gems. First person will get 5 gems. Then second person also get 5 gems. Now if you will observe, next person will not get 5 gems. 2 gems left over. It means we cannot distribute 12 gems in the group of 5. Right? Now if you will observe, we can distribute these 12 gems in the group of 6. Each person will get 6 gems. No gems are left over. So student, what do you understand by performing this activity? We have distributed these 12 gems equally in the group of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. We cannot distribute 12 gems in the group of 5. So student, today we are going to learn lesson number 8, multiples and factors. First we will see what is meant by factor. A factor is a smaller number that divides exactly any larger number and gives the remainder as 0. Let's take an example. Find the factors of 16. You know that every number is completely divisible by 1. So 1 is the factor of every number. Now we will divide 16 by 2. If you divide 16 by 2, 2 8s are 16. You will find the remainder is 0. Now divide 16 by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So, on dividing 16 by 3, the remainder is 1. So 16 is not divisible by 3. The remainder is 0. Now in this way, keep on dividing, you will find other factors of 16. After dividing 16 by other number, you will get other factors. Now let us see factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. It means 16 is exactly divisible by 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16, which means the remainder is 0. These numbers are called divisors or factors of 12. Now learn the properties of factors. The smallest factor of every number is 1. Every number is a factor of itself and it is the greatest factor of that number. If you will observe this example, 16 is factor of that number and the smallest factor of 16 is 1. A number can have only a limited number of factors. Factors of a number are always smaller than that number or equal to that number. If you will observe the factors of 16, these factors are always smaller than this number or it is equal to that number. 16 factor is equal to this number. Students, note down these properties of factors in your notebook. Now we will solve problem set 32. Question number 1. Write down factors of the following number. First question. Now we have to find out factors of 10. Just now we have seen properties of factors. So you know that 1 is the smallest factor of every number. Now 10 is exactly divisible by 2. Recite the tables, you will come to know factors. 10 is completely divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10. Now we will see 10 is divisible by 3 or not. Recite the table. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. 12 is greater than 10. It means remainder is not 0. So 3 is not a factor of 10. 4, 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So 10 is exactly not divisible by 4 also. So 4 is not a factor of 10. Now 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10. Yes, so 10 is exactly divisible by 5. 5 is the factor of 10. Now keep on dividing. You will find that other factor of 10 is 10. Because every number is exactly divisible by same number. So factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Let us take other example 32. Now we will find factors of 32. We know that every number is completely divisible by 1. So 1 is the factor of every number. Now I will show you another method to find out factors. If you multiply two numbers, you will get 32. 1 into 32, you will get 32. Then 2 multiplied by something is equal to 32. So what it is? Yes, if you divide 32 by 2, you will get 16. So 2 16s are 32. In this way, if you will multiply by 3, recite the table of 3, you will and 3 11s are 33. So 3 is not a factor of 32. Now 4. 4 into something is equal to 32. 4, how many are 32? Yes, 4, 8 are 32. Then recite the table of 5. 32. 5 is not a factor of 32. When you will recite the table of 5, you will come to know 5 6 are 32, 5 7s are 35. So remainder is not 0. That is why 5 is not a factor of 32. In this way, you will find next factor, that is 8. 8 4 are 32. So these are the factors of 32. Write down these factors: 1, then 2, then 4, then 8, comma 16. These all factors already we have written. So 1 is the smallest factor of 32 and 16 is also factor of 32, and last 32. 132s are 32. 32, the number itself, also factor of 32. So by using same method, you will solve remaining examples. Now we will learn about multiples. When the division of a dividend leaves no remainder, the dividend is said to be a multiple of divisor. In such case, the dividend is the product of divisor and the quotient. It means divisor multiplied by quotient gives you the product dividend. Let us take an example. If you divide 20 by 2, the quotient is 10. 2 tens are 20 and remainder is 0. You know that 20 is dividend, 2 is divisor and 10 is quotient and the remainder is 0. So divisor is 2 into quotient is 10. So what is our dividend? 20. So 20 is multiple of 2 as well as 10. Let us learn properties of multiples. Every number is multiple of itself. A number can have many multiples. The multiples of a number are either greater than or equal to that number. The smallest multiple of a number is the number itself. Every multiple of a number is exactly divisible by that number. Note down these properties in your notebook. Now let's take an example. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 till 33 and so on. So recite the table, you will get the multiples. Just now you have learned the properties of multiple. The smallest multiple of that number is the number itself and the multiples are unlimited. Now multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20 and till 55 and so on because multiples are unlimited. So student, understood about multiples? Yes. Note down these examples also in your notebook. So today we have learned properties of multiples and factors and how to find factors and multiples. The remaining part we will learn in next video. Thank you.